Hey guys, it's been a while since I've started using the God particle. The main use for the plugin is the tubas, but recently I've discovered that it really works amazing when it comes to stem processing. In today's video I want to show you just that. Before jumping into the session, I want to announce that we are running a giveaway, 2 licenses of the God particle. You can find the link to the raffle in the description. Best of luck to everybody. Now let's jump into the session. Like I've said in the intro, I like using the God particle on the tubas, but I believe that on the tubas sometimes it can be a bit too much. That's why I've tried it on stems. I really liked the results. That's why I'm sharing this technique with you. I have the God particle inserted on all the stems, but everything is on bypass. Now let me show you why the God particle does a great job when it comes to stem processing. Let's start with the drums. These are the drums before any processing. Now let's start messing with the plugin. One thing that you can notice is that we are not hitting the target. We are just barely touching the gain reduction. Let's drive the input, reduce the output. Now we have gain reduction. I really want to bring up front that clap. Let's drive more of the God particle. Let's add the limiter. I want to catch the peaks with the limiter. This way I can achieve much better headroom further down the mastering chain. Pushing 7 dB into the input, that means that I need to compensate the output. This is on the drums. Let's move to the next stem. We have some percussion stuff that sounds like this. Loops like this can greatly benefit from the God particle. Let's engage it with the input pushed to the max. I don't like the top end. I don't feel that it's really necessary on a loop like this. Fully blasted with the God particle. Right now I have the God particle on the percussion loop and the drums. This is what I had before. And this is after. and this is without pushing that much the picks. Let's move to the music part. Let's add the bass. Before, the difference is just mind-blowing. I like using the gut particle to process stems because it gives me much better control over the tone of the mix. When it comes to pushing the gut particle, I've noticed that things can get a bit too wide and a bit too congested in the upper mids. I can avoid that by doing stem processing. I can choose to process a different sound in a more subtle way with the gut particle. This is just a different approach to the plugin that I believe it's worth trying. Don't forget about the giveaway. You can find links in the description, 2 licenses of the gut particle. I hope that you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe because it's really important. Like, you can follow me on Instagram. I really appreciate the support. Talk to you really soon. Cheers.